Hey guys, this is your boy Adrian from Style and Fashion, and what we're going to do today is a first look at the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now, officially in Trinidad and Latin America, the S20 Ultra is actually supposed to launch this Friday coming. So this is 5 days before the actual product launch. Now, this video is brought to you and sponsored by R&J Celtech at Gulf City Mall. R&J Celtech, they are one of the authorized Samsung dealers. You guys could get them at 653-2355. They have 2 stores in Gulf City Mall, upstairs and downstairs as well. Robbie is my boy. He will link you up with our real best price. Now, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna show the box and we're just gonna show the contents of the box of the S20 Ultra. The S20 Ultra is one of Samsung's the biggest, baddest. This is everything but the kitchen sink, basically. This has everything you could think about. 108 megapixel primary camera, up to 100x digital and optical zoom, in-screen fingerprint sensor, one of the biggest displays. So we just want to take a look at the box. The box itself is simple. You have a matte box. It has S20. Robbie's Visions is the dual SIM. So if you're rocking Mobile and Digi, just like me, you have one for both. Now with the S20 Ultra, as with Samsung, what they do in the last couple of years is that you have dual SIM, yes, but if you want, you could just have one SIM and a memory card, but you can't have both. I know the A7 2017, the A5s, they usually have 2 SIM card slots and a memory card slot. This one, you choose either or. You can either get 2 SIMs or 1 SIM, 1 memory card. I'll take Digi and Mobile any day because you know one of them gonna cap out. So already did more or less the unboxing of it. What you get hidden in the top here, and this location is where you get the SIM card removal tool, and you actually get a case with it. Now the 5G networks in the States, they don't include a free case. So those, if you get it from the United States, you're not gonna get a free case with it. So the case was vital before I actually got a case from Darrell Blandon. So we have the guides, as Flossie Carter would say. We pluck them, fell them to the side. What we get is this really cool silicone case. It's not the best for drop protection, but it is better than most. So we have little knobs, little dots. I doubt the camera could see it. These little dots actually prevent the case from sticking to the phone. So I don't know if you could hear that. It makes a kind of scratching sound so that you wouldn't get those sweat marks between the case and the phone itself. This is ideal. The outside is raised so the camera wouldn't scratch. However, Wall Street Journal and CNET, they did drop tests. This is not a phone you want to drop at all. Continuing inside the box, you have your AKG branded headphones. So we have a nice braided cable. This is not, and it is USB-C. This is not a beast monster. A base monster. Sorry guys, I did 6 hours lectures just before this video, so my voice is short. AKG branded. These are beautiful braided cable, USB-C. Now, what we'll talk about, this is the little ear tips. This is kind of cool. Actually just seeing this. One thing that we will notice, we have no adapters. Samsung is actually notorious for including adapters. So if you have an old phone, as in my case, I have the Note 9. Basically, we'd put the adapter there, put one cable and just attach them, and we'd transfer all our data. But you can do it wirelessly, so that's not a big deal. That's the box. The first thing I noticed was that, the charging, so we have, this is literally prayers being answered, but if you're gonna pay this amount for a phone, you better get some good stuff, and Samsung has delivered. This here we have a 45-watt fast charging brick. Now with the S10s, the S10, S10 Plus, the S and even the S10e, they were capable of fast charging. However, Samsung just included the regular charging brick. Out of the box, you get the fast charging 45-watt charging brick. So this will juice your 5,000 milliamp hour battery in no time. However, this is the shortest Samsung cable I've ever seen. This is just about 3 feet, which, I mean, come on. who uses this cable for long? In like a couple, I don't know, like a couple of weeks, I'll just basically switch this cable for a longer cable. You can check Spigen, you can check Anchor. They usually have really good cables. And now for the phone itself. So this is mine with, oh my god, that graphic on the inside is so mesmerizing. Guys, this phone is just for that video wallpaper alone, that is like the ultimate flex right there. So essentially, we have the phone itself. The phone, you have a glossy back, and yes, it is a fingerprint magnet. What we have here, this is a real reason why you're going to spend all that money on a phone. We have, this is up to 5x optical zoom. Essentially, we have a lot of little lenses in here. These lenses are all stacked and it moves back and forth, and that will actually be the zoom of the camera itself. So you have up to 5x optical zoom where you will not lose any detail, and then after that will be digital zoom cropping in on the 108 megapixel sensor. We have the ultra wide. Then we have ultra wide. We have the primary camera, which is like super bright, 108 megapixel. Then we have the zoom, which is 48 megapixels. So you'll crop on that. You have a time of flight sensor for depth. We have external microphone. We have a tiny flash. I mean, I was honestly expecting Samsung to come with a better flash, but as we see, this is what I'm trying to get accustomed to. We have the power buttons on both sides. We have the power button here. Also doubles as a Bixby button. Volume up, volume down. We have nothing on this side at all. And again, guys, remember, this is me after 6 hours lecture. My voice is shot. We have the little microphone here to reduce ambient noise. Then we have the SIM card slots over here. And I tell you, this like graphic is so cool. We have the in-screen fingerprint sensor. It is already set up. And what I'll actually do, this in-screen fingerprint scanner is not the best thing since sliced bread, but it will work in a pinch. So the camera, I'll see if I can get this on film for you guys. So this here is the camera, and I'm gonna tap on the zoom. Then we could choose the zoom. So if we have 4x, what was now 4x, we go straight up to the Clorox bottle. Then 10x. Let's see if we could go to the Elite Educators sign. So Elite Educators 4866-450 for all your SEA needs. So that is an example of the zoom. The zoom on this thing is insane. Well, for me, I actually decided to go ahead and get a case. UAG, I love UAG cases. Robbie, you need to get one of this for, you need to get this for R&J Celtec straight up. So, slap in the case, it is a big phone. It is chunky, but my thing is you need to protect this raised camera bump. And the screen itself, again, I'll show you guys the screen. This screen is beautiful. We have the little cutout at the top there. But anyhow, I will do an in-depth review of the phone, the likes, the dislikes, in a later episode. But for now, this is just the primary unboxing. Again, thanks to R&J Celtec at Gulf City Mall. They are one of the few people that actually have this phone in stock. So you guys should definitely check them out. Anyhow, guys, peace.